And when you ask, it will give you so much of power within, not just by asking and letting that other person to help you, but also you will see you will start helping others in your journey. Hello, who is there? Knock, knock, knock. Can you be with me in this session today? Can you listen to me in this session today? I'm just asking you. Ask, ask, ask. That's the topic for today. I welcome you all. I am Leena, a mentor, coach, passionate woman empowerment leader. Let's remember all the people whom we know who are successful in their journey. Have they become successful just by riding alone? Or they have actually gone and asked, reached out to people who can help them in their journey? The truth is that nobody is successful alone. We always need someone in our life for various help what is required. But the reality comes in that we have been taught not to ask. We feel lower, we feel vulnerable, we have the scare of being rejected. But just imagine the people who are successful, who have reached their goal, would they don't like to help others? If we become, you and me, we have achieved things in our life, would we want like we can help others and we can give it to others? But it will only happen when you ask for help in your journey. Then people will come to you asking you for help. Today, let's do one thing. Can we actually list out the people whom we need in our life and we can ask what we need? And for a second, just feel how your body is feeling. Are you feeling excited? Before you go and ask, are you feeling nervous? The point is, you will be only be able to ask if you have a high self-esteem. The person who can ask for help has a high self-esteem. And if you are not able to ask, that means your ego is coming in between. Your ego is not allowing you to ask. Today, let's make a list of the people whom we will ask what we need. Suppose I am always asking, if you see me, oh, how have you used that template in Instagram? Can you please tell me? How many posts are you putting in Instagram in a day? Can you please tell me that what is the time of the YouTube video? Is it 10 minutes video you put or is it 5 minutes? I keep asking. Whenever I see a design, I'm like, wow, that design is so nice. Which camera are you using? Which model is it? Can you please tell me? I asked my mentor that how do you do digital marketing? I need your help to know the path of digital marketing. The people who are already there in the curve of the success higher than me, I keep asking them. At home, I keep asking, I tell my husband, can you please take care of cooking on Saturday, Sunday because the maid is not around? I tell my daughter, can you make sure that in between 3 to 4 you're not making any noise because that's my video shooting time? I tell my mother-in-law that, can you please take care of feeding the cats because I am busy? I keep asking. I checked with a club that can I get a temporary membership. I keep asking whether it is personal, internal, or outside. I keep asking what I need. Jack Canfield always tells that don't be an asshole, be an ask hole. Pardon me for my language, but that's so true. Become a ask hole. You have to ask. And when you ask, it will give you so much of power within, not just by asking and letting that other person to help you, but also you will see you will start helping others in your journey. So give that opportunity to others. Tomorrow you will get an opportunity to help others. Thank you so much for listening to me. List down whom you are going to ask today and what. Love you so much. See you. Bye.